everyone, here it's me Arunika Bish and I welcomes you all to my channel Arunika's Academy. So after so long I am once again back with you all with another amazing educational video. And today I'm gonna tell you and share with you all about one amazing trick as we of mathematics. Mathematics is all about calculations, and because of calculation only, due to lengthy calculation, we are not able to complete our paper in a limited time frame because of the lengthy calculations. So why not make it mathematics easy by some tricks so that we are able to calculate the sums within limited time frame very and also very easy and interestingly. So today I am here with you all with one very interesting trick. So today we are going to learn that how can we find the square of a number which ends with the digit 5. मीन्स जो कैसे स्क्वायर निकाल सकते हैं किसी भी नंबर का जो कि 5 डिजिट 5 से एंड करता है. लेट्स सी, लेट्स टेक एन एग्जांपल. लेट्स टेक नंबर 75. ओके, तो हमने यहाँ पे 75 नंबर लिया और मान लो कहीं कैलकुलेशन में हमें इसको स्क्वायर करना है, 75 का स्क्वायर करना है. द वे इज दैट वी आर गोइंग टू मल्टीप्लाई इट 75 इंटू 75. सो अगर हम इसको मल्टीप्लाई करने बैठेंगे तो बहुत ज़्यादा लेंदी हो जाएगा और इसी की वजह से कैलकुलेशन बहुत ज़्यादा लेंदी हो जाएगी एंड वी विल नॉट बी एबल टू कंप्लीट आवर पेपर इन अ लिमिटेड टाइम फ्रेम. So to avoid all these things so that we can complete our paper in time, so for this the trick is for this I'm going to tell you an amazing trick. So please see the video very carefully. Okay, so now when we multiply 75 to 75, so it will be going to be very lengthy. Instead of it, within 20 seconds we are going to find out the square of 75 very much easily within 20 seconds. Okay, so what we have to do is there are very simple two steps. First step is this is 5. Okay, and we are going to do the square of 5, and the square of 5 everybody knows that is 25. So square of 5 is 25. Now what we are going to do here, just before the 5 the number is, the digit is 7. Okay, now what we are going to do, after 7 what comes? After 7 8 comes, right? So we are going to multiply this 7 by 8. 7 into 8 we are going to multiply it, which is 56. So here we are going to write 56. So our answer is 5625, means the square of 75 is 5625. So I hope कि आपको समझ आ गया होगा, and it's very much, you can see it's very much easy, and within few seconds we have find out the answer of this square, right? But this is for the case when there is 5 at the last. This is in the case when there is any number, 2 digit, 3 digit, 4 digit numbers. You can take any digit number, but we have to remember one thing, that at last there should be 5 digit 5. Then only we are going to apply this trick. Okay, so let's take one more example. You can check the answer in the calculator also, or you can multiply like this. So the answer will going to be 5625. Now let's try the same trick with 3 digit number. Okay, so let's see. Let's take 185. Now here we have taken 3 digit number. You can see here we have taken 3 digit number. Same we have to do. We have to first square 5, which is 25. After that 18. Just after 18 what comes? 19. So we are going to multiply 18 into 19, which is 342. So here it is 342. Means square of 185 is 34225. वैसे आप लोग नॉर्मली कैसे करते हैं? वैसे नॉर्मली हम लोग करते हैं 185 into 185. We have to multiply this whole, which is very time consuming. So that's all. You can do the same thing with 4 digit number, 3 digit number, 2 digit numbers, right? So I hope कि आपको ये trick पसंद आई होगी, and it is going to be very much helpful wherever there is going to be these types of calculations where any number where last is 5 and we have to take out the square of it. So we can use this simple trick which has only 2 simple steps. First, we have to first square 5, which is 25, we all know. Second step is 18. जस्ट आफ्टर यहाँ पे जो कोई भी नंबर है 5 के पहले कोई भी नंबर है, मान लो 6 है तो हमें उसको 6 इंटू 7 कर देना है. 8 है तो 8 के बाद 9 आता है तो हमें 8 इंटू 9 कर देना है. यहाँ पे 18 था तो 18 के बाद 19 आता है. सो वी आर गोइंग टू मल्टीप्लाई 18 इंटू 19 विच इज 342 एंड वी विल गोइंग टू राइट इट ओवर हियर. And this is the square of 185 into 185. You can check in the calculator also, and you can just calculate this also. You will आप एक काम करना, दोनों 185 into 185 मल्टीप्लाई करके देखना और देखना कितना टाइम लग रहा है, और ये ट्रिक यूज करके देखना और देखना कितना टाइम लग रहा है. You will going to see the difference yourself. Okay, I hope that this trick, short trick, going to help you a lot in your calculations. So I am going to bring some more tricks like this, and I'm going to make more videos. Okay, so that's all for my today's video. I hope you liked my video. If you liked it, please hit the like button, share it with your friends and family, and also don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to all, so that you get all the notifications whenever I'm going to post my video. And also, as you many of you also already know, that there is one more channel of mine, that is Arunika's World, where I post the videos related to vlogging, creativity, art and craft, cooking, various things other than the educational videos. So you can subscribe to my dad channel also, Arunika's World, and I'm going to post the link in the description box of the channel Arunika's World. You can subscribe it if you want to see vlogging and all these things. So you can subscribe to my Arunika's World channel, and for education related purposes you can subscribe to my Arunika's